Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all well. I feel like I haven't spoken to you guys properly like this in ages, so I hope you're all having a great December and getting everything done ready for the festive period. Right now I am in Christmas prep mode. I've done all of the decorating which you guys would have seen in previous videos apart from the tree, so now I'm trying to focus on deep cleaning each of the rooms just so we're ready for the Christmas week. Today we're going to be focusing on deep cleaning the kitchen. It's a bit messy in here, so we need to do a bit of washing up and things like that. So hopefully this gives you some Christmas cleaning motivation, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let's get right into the video. So it wouldn't be a Christmas clean with me without a Christmas movie to watch while I'm cleaning. So here I'm watching the Santa Claus 2 and I've just finished number 3. I have watched, you guys, so many Christmas films lately. I think I'm a bit all Christmas movied out now, but I have to say the Santa Claus, all 3 of them, are some of my favourite films to watch at Christmas. They're all on Disney Plus, but I do have them on DVD as well. And then my other couple of favourites, like all-time favourites, are the Grinch That Stole Christmas, you know, the one with Jim Carrey in, and Arthur Christmas. But then there's so many others that are so good as well. I just watched Love Actually again for like the 5th millionth time, and I love that one too. There's just so many nice ones out there. I'd love to know which are your top 3. Let me know in the comments down below so we can discuss. So after I had finished a mammoth amount of deep cleaning in the kitchen, I decided to take a break for today because it was getting late and start decorating our tree. So if you've seen any of my other previous Christmas decorate with me's, Ben and I love to get a real tree. Both our families always have a real tree, and we wanted to continue the tradition. We love going to get one. There's me with a drink. That's not an alcoholic drink. I'm not a big drinker. It was just a soft drink that Ben made me. Nonetheless, it was very, very nice. So yeah, we love to get a real tree and decorate it with all our decorations that we've collected throughout the years. Some of them are from our travels, and then others are from local sellers and just various places around the UK. And this is what makes this tree so special for us. It's really unique to us and kind of like tells a story. So guys, thank you so much for watching. That is it. I really hope you enjoyed this clean with me. Give this video a big thumbs up if it inspired and motivated you to do some Christmas cleaning or prepping for Christmas. Also, don't forget to take some time out for yourself and do a bit of self-care, especially around this time of year. I feel like it's really important. We kind of lose track of that, and even if it's just 5, 10, 15 minutes, it's just something. And I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. If I don't speak to you again, have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas or whatever you're doing around this festive period. I am so grateful for every single one of you guys and your support. And I look forward to bringing you so much more exciting content in the new year. Take care, guys. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.